Joe Walker here at Glen Echo. It's Masters Thursday, but we've did pretty good finish grading. Not quite complete, but smooth things out a lot better here on the new tee complex. This is out in front of the tee. Basically the old forward part of the white tee. And we've got it fairly well smoothed out. This is the white tee we're looking back on here. And it's reasonably smoothed out, kind of got our edges cleaned up. And then as you can see, the blue tee here in the back. We still have some work to do on the sides a little bit, and then we had to put an extension on our irrigation pipe in the back of the tee, and we've still got to do a little work there. We've got a little problem with some soft pumping soil here in the back that we're probably going to have to remove in the next couple of days. But anyway, we're getting closer and closer. I hope to have solid on this by middle to the end of next week. Have a great day.